lightly roll. This time we're gonna put all the interval in. As you can see on the left, we have space and space is the fifth, line and space is the second. It depends how far is the note. And then you define it, how close is it from one to the other. Lightly roll position, right hand on high C, treble C, left hand on bass C. Start from right hand G. So G skipped twice, F skipped twice, from C all the way up to G, 4, 5. G skip 3 times, F skip 3 times, C skip to the top, skip to E, C go up to D, now fifth, go up, back to G, skip 3 times, F skip 3 times, C skip to the top, C top and the bottom. Lightly roll, over all the ways we go, sing and flow, let's sing and